Parrots. Today's video is all about parrots. Interested? What is a parrot? Parrots are fascinating birds with their vibrant colors and unique features. They have colorful feathers that make them look like living pieces of art. Their strong beaks are adapted for cracking open nuts and seeds, their favorite meals. Parrots are social creatures and often live in groups called flocks. These flocks are bird families that work together to find food and stay safe from predators. Parrot feet are designed to help them hold onto branches and perch well. 2 of their toes point forward and 2 point backward. This makes it easy for them to grip onto things, like how you would hold onto a swing at the playground. And guess what? In addition to eating, parrots use their beaks as an extra hand to climb and play. Parrots are like nature's acrobats, using their feet and beaks to explore their colorful world in the trees. When caring for their babies, parrots are dedicated or very supportive parents. Female parrots lay eggs in nests, and both parents take turns keeping the eggs warm until they hatch. After the chicks are born, the parents feed them a special food called crop milk, which is regurgitated from their throats. This nutritious milk helps the little chicks grow strong and healthy. As the chicks age, their parents teach them important skills like flying and finding food. What do parrots eat? Parrots are also nature's gourmet eaters, and they adapt their meals to their habitat. Depending on where they are, they enjoy a mix of fruits, seeds, nuts, and even flowers. They use their strong beaks to crack open hard shells and peel fruit skins. In the rainforests, parrots munch on tropical fruits. In drier places, they feast on seeds and nuts that give them energy. But guess what? Some parrots also nibble on leaves. Just as you have different favorite foods, parrots have theirs too. They love treats such as berries, figs, and sunflower seeds, and they know how to find their favorite meals, whether in a lush jungle or a sunny grassland. Parrots have a unique way of eating that involves their feet. Just as we use our hands to hold on to things, parrots use their feet like hands to grab and hold their food. Imagine using your feet to pick up your sandwich while you took a bite. Parrots' feet are strong and agile, with 4 toes on each foot. Remember, 2 toes face forward and 2 face backward. This unique arrangement allows them to grip branches, perches, and even their food. They can hold on to a piece of fruit or a nut while using their strong beaks to take bites. This skill is handy, especially when they're balancing on tree branches high up in the air. Other interesting facts. Have you ever wondered why parrots are so good at mimicking sounds, including human voices? Well, it turns out that they have an extraordinary part in their brain called the song system. This part of their brain allows them to learn and replicate various sounds they hear in their environment. When a parrot hears a sound, such as a person talking or a car honking, their brain's song system helps them remember and imitate it. It's like having a built-in recording and playback device in their heads. This skill is not just about fun. It's a way for parrots to communicate with each other and even bond within their flocks. Young parrots learn these sounds from their parents and fellow parrots, similar to how you learn to speak from the people around you. This ability to mimic sounds isn't just about copying. They can also use these sounds to express their emotions and intentions. Just like we use words to show happiness, excitement, or even warnings, parrots use their mimicry to share their feelings and communicate uniquely. Parrots have colorful feathers that help them hide in their lush forest homes, a clever trick called cryptic coloration. These bright rainbow-colored feathers help them blend in with the trees and flowers, like they're wearing the perfect camouflage jacket. The camouflage helps them stay safe from hungry predators. But their colorful feathers also have another job: talking to their parrot friends. The brighter the feathers, the healthier they might be, which is important when showing off to find a good friend or mate. So those pretty feathers aren't just for looks. They're a secret code that helps parrots survive and make friends in the wild. Why are they important to the environment? Parrots are super crucial for the environment, especially in places where they live naturally, Like tropical rainforests, they play a significant role in helping plants grow because they eat fruits and nuts and then spread the seeds when they poop. When parrots do this, they are helping new plants grow, which is great for the whole forest. In a way, that makes parrots some of nature's gardeners. Parrots also eat insects, which helps keep bug populations in check. Some parrot species are in trouble because of habitat loss and illegal pet trade. People sometimes capture parrots from the wild to keep as pets, which can harm the parrots' populations. Some species, like the Spix macaw, also known as the blue macaw, are very rare and critically endangered, which means they need extra protection to survive. We need to learn about parrots and their habitats and how to help protect them so that they can keep doing their important jobs in the environment. Learning about parrots is pretty cool, right? Let's do a quick review to see what you remember. What are 2 ways parrots use their beaks? Parrots use their beaks to crack open nuts and seeds. They also use them like an extra hand to help them climb and play. True or false? Parrots use their mimicking ability to communicate and bond with each other. If you said true, you're correct. Choose the word the author would say best describes the parrot. A. Defenseless. B. Venomous. C. Colorful. D. Fierce. E. Cowardly. The correct answer is C. Colorful. Well done, parrot peeps.